Fluttershy, guess what? I figured out the friendship problem. Me too. Go ahead. Bet that's a problem the Kirin never have.
No.
Anyhow, we gotta get them all talking again.
Oh, no. We can't ever let that happen.
I thought you said you figured out the friendship problem. Was something lost in translation?
The Kirin are usually peaceful and kind, but when they get mad, they turn into Nerics, creatures made of fire and vengeance.
That seemed less scary when it was in a song.
The last time they all argued, they got so angry, they accidentally destroyed their whole village. So the Kirin decided to make sure it would never happen again.
But that's no reason to stop talking.
Well, yes, it is. Fire is dangerous, especially in a forest like this. Well, think of all the animals it could hurt.
Not if they don't turn into fire-breathing Neric in the first place.
And how can you be sure that won't happen?
There's gotta be a better way than giving up all your feelings.
Applejack, you're not listening!
'Cause you're not talking any sense.
What are they doing? Hey! Maybe they got worried because we were arguing with each other.
Oh, shucks. We were just having a normal civil disagreement. Honest.
Where are they taking us?
To the stream of silence. If we hit that water, we'll never be able to talk or feel anything ever again.
Put them down!
It's all right. I think I know this one, and she's trying to help.
Well, yeah. Can't have them silence the only friend who'll speak to me.
She talks?
You have no idea. Fluttershy, meet Autumn Blaze.
Well, thank you for that, wall of fire. But I thought Nerics were dangerous when they're angry. How did you know you could control your temper?
I didn't. I guess anger's like other feelings. It's not about having them, it's what you do with them.
And giving up happiness to keep away anger is no kind of life.
I never thought of it that way. I can't imagine not being able to talk to my animal friends.
Fernflare, you used to love to laugh at everything. And Rainshine, you sung the most beautiful harmonies. Don't you miss it?
I know you're worried about fighting, but friends can disagree without causing a ruckus.
Every pony gets mad sometimes. Even Applejack and I argue.
What? When do we ever argue?
On the way here, and about the Kirin being silent, and right now!
We don't always see eye to eye, but we never let that get in the way of our friendship.
And if you're really angry, then take some time away to be a Neric where it won't hurt any pony.
I think they're trying to say something.
Okay, are you hungry? Oh no, some Kirin trapped in a well? Okay, baby fish. Baby fish mouth? Something? Anything? Just write it down. Oh, this is making me furious. Would you excuse me? I'll be right back. You were saying... Oh! You want the cure for the stream of silence!
That's wonderful! Isn't it?
Well, it would be, except there aren't any flowers left to make the cure.
Are you sure?
Oh, beyond sure. Believe me, I've had a lot of alone time lately. I searched the entire forest 73.5 times. Although I wonder if that second half could make a difference.